If you've ever wondered about the most popular cat breeds around the globe, you're in the right place. From the charming Maine Coon to the elegant Persian, we're about to explore the top contenders for the title of the world's most beloved cat breeds. Let's jump right in. The Turkish Van is often referred to as the swimming cat because it has a love for water and is an excellent swimmer, which is uncommon among most domestic cats. The American bobtail is characterized by its short, stubby tail, which is a result of a genetic mutation. Interestingly, no two American bobtails have identical tails. Vermilla is a charming breed that resulted from an accidental cross between a chinchilla Persian and a Burmese cat. The Bombay cat is often referred to as the mini panther due to its sleek black coat and piercing copper or gold eyes. Turkish Angora is one of the oldest cat breeds with a history that dates back over 1,000 years. Singapura is one of the smallest cat breeds and is often called the Asian leopard cat. The Egyptian Mau is one of the few naturally spotted breeds of domestic cat. The Manx cat is characterized by its distinctive taillessness or a short, stubby tail. Ocicat is a domestic breed. It was developed to resemble a small wild spotted cat but has no wild blood in its lineage. The Siberian cat is known for its thick, water-resistant triple coat, which helped it withstand the harsh Siberian climate. Bengals have a distinctive spotted or marbled coat that resembles that of a wild leopard. Abyssinians are one of the oldest known cat breeds, with a history dating back to ancient Egypt. Scottish Fold is recognized by its unique folded ears, which give it an owl-like appearance. American Shorthair is one of the longest-lived cat breeds. Maine Coon is one of the largest domesticated cat breeds. Persian introduced to Europe in the 1600s from Persia and quickly became one of the most popular cat breeds. Exotic Shorthair is a popular choice for those who love the Persian look but prefer a shorter coat. Ragdoll cat's popularity stems from its winning combination of striking blue eyes, silky semi-long hair coat, and remarkably gentle, affectionate nature, making it an ideal and endearing companion for many cat lovers.